So anyways, today we're gonna find out what's best. No, I'm just gonna tell you. So if you're doing Sub250, the best batteries on like a 3-inch or 3.5-inch are gonna be the Dogcom 560 150C batteries. They have new tech, they're lighter, they pack a punch, and they fly a long time. If you want the best value, just like the cheapest ones worth getting, you get the China Hobby line 600 mAh Speedy Bees. You don't buy the mini stars. That's too cheap. They're not good. But the Speedy pizzas, they're okay. Speedy Bee? Did I call them Speedy Bees? The Speedy pizzas are okay. And there's links to buy them in the description. Affiliate links. So whenever you buy them, it helps me. I don't have affiliate links with Dogcom, but my favorite battery is those 564S batteries. They're the best. And the 562S batteries. They're the best for your 2-inch quads. You start using them, you won't want to use anything else. Now you're going to see 2 flights, and remember it's freezing cold winter right now, so we're only getting 2-minute flight times out of the Speedy Pizza and 3-minute flight times out of the Dogcom. But the Dogcom are only 560 and the Speedy Pizzas are 600s. In the summertime, we'll get about double the flight time. So consider that. Raw, unedited flights here, not sped up or nothing, on a 3.5, the Great Discus frame, the best. You want one, buy one, but now you can see the battery's performance back to back. And oh, if you want something nice that's like in between, the best kind of like in between is gonna be the Kodar 650s. The new Kodar 650s with the like dark purple color and the stars. Those are lovely. And if you're in Canada, I carry these batteries so I can ship them to you with a drone or something. But basically most of you are American, so I can't ship batteries to you. But you could use my affiliate links for the cheap ones if you get them. But try the expensive ones anyways. They're actually worth it. And I won't make money, but maybe Dogcom will sponsor me one day. Yeah.
You just can't walk, can you?
No.
Really annoying.
I just use the opportunity to do stuff. Make a video. if you're a battery company and you want me to test your batteries, or if you want to sponsor me, send your batteries my way, please.